are haters. Incapable of hating.
I don't even know what to do.
The beginning?
I'm old.
I don't get it either.
All right. I need y'all help. I need all y'all niggas help. How the hell do I get to the fucking my park? My gym?
My butt.
Oh, I think you were there. I think his feet are sweaty.
How do I get to the goddamn my park? The park. How do I gotta go to Blacktop? Nigga, I ain't played video games in years, nigga. I don't know.
Nope. I'm making him angry.
How the hell do I get to the goddamn? You gotta go through my career mode? Alright, cool.
There's shields for you.
Yo, run. Lit.
You want this chair?
Face tats and all, nigga, we out here. Hey, my nigga lit. Hey, fuck with your boy. All right. They ain't have my little hairstyle, so you feel me? My nigga about to go hard. Hey, you know what's crazy? I think I'm the only nigga that made a real player. You niggas be making niggas 7'5", 6'8", and shit. Nigga, I made my nigga my real height and real size. My boy nephew called me like, yo, Daylyt, how you create your player? I'm like, nigga, you know, I made him 6 feet even, nigga, 185. And he said, nigga, you stupid. Nigga, you dumb. I was like, what you mean? Nigga, it says create yourself. Nigga, you stupid. Nigga, why did you do that? Nigga, you got to delete that nigga. I said, what the hell you talking about? Nigga, you supposed to make that nigga wingspan big. Nigga, this is your opportunity to be what you never was. I was like, wait, what? Nigga, you ever wanted to be big? You ever wanted to be tall? You ever wanted to be long? Nigga, this is your opportunity of a lifetime to create yourself how you always wanted to be.
You want to be dumb? You want to be ugly?
I said, damn, you right. I fucked up. I said, nigga, why would you buy the basketball game to be the real you? That's stupid. Off? How you turn it off? Oh. Hey, there you go. Hey, what's up? Come here. Come here. Come here. What up? What's up? Right. So this nigga talking about, nigga, Daylyt, nigga, you gotta start your player over, nigga. You gotta create him big, nigga. You gotta create that nigga a big old dunker, slasher, shooter. I was like, wait, what? It's like, nigga, every player need to be like KG height, nigga. I was like, wait, what? It's like, nigga, your shit need to be KG height, nigga. KG, make your player KG height, nigga, but make him a point guard. I said, what? Yeah, nigga. I said, what the fuck? Here, get this baby.
I know, that's what I said.
Damn, I need that rocking chair.
I
need a rocking gaming chair. They need a rocking game.
They
got rocking gaming chairs?
Yes. You want to go get this?
I'm getting old. Here you go.
Here you go. Slide the baby on down.
Slide you on down. All right, it says play next game. All right, I ain't even. You know what's crazy? I haven't played not one game yet. Yo, I gotta get a camera. I gotta get all type of shit, man. What? He poops? Oh, go watch.
I'm touched it. You need to grab him.
I can't.
Your life is more important.
Yes, you got it.
My fingers have it.
Have Duke on it? Hold on, I gotta pause this.
Campbell,
Hold on, man, hold on, cuz.
I need to wash my hands.
You pooped on mom, mister?
No, it's on you. Or you had
Good. All right, so look, I'm gonna set up the streaming shit. I'm set up all the streaming shit. Like I gotta set up a Twitch account and all that shit, right? No, like right. I'm just asking y'all because I'm really about to infiltrate this video game world, right? So I gotta set up a Twitch account. I think we already got Twitch on here. Do I gotta set it up through here, or do I gotta set it up through another computer? I set it up through here, right? All right, so I'm gonna set up my Twitch account tonight.
Booty crack.
I'm gonna set up my Twitch account. No, y'all thought I was a troll in real life? You don't want to see what I'm about to do in this Matrix world. Right? You don't want to see what I'm about to do in this fake world. I'll fuck niggas up in this world. Watch what I do in this world. Right? So, all right. So so my question is, should I do the Twitch shit through my phone or should I do it through the computer? This nigga just hit me up, buy some VC points for 20 and get, wait, what? I'm Neo from the Matrix. Yo, you niggas is weird. Right. All right, it don't matter. I'll set it up after this.
Man, I'm just saying, I'm gonna need a vacation after this. Oh, you hear that crowd? That can't all be for us, is it?
Yo, I'm the first nigga in the league with face tats. Nigga, fuck you niggas talk about. I'm out here, nigga. Hating ass nigga. Fuck you talking about. Hating ass nigga. I'll pass you the ball, nigga. I never pass it to your bitch ass again. Bruce Lee, look at that. Jet Li the one, look at that. Nigga, don't touch me. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. Chi-Wong, look at that. Tally-Wong, look at that. Don't fuck out of here. Fuck you talk about. Throw over here. Nigga, we out here. Fuck you niggas talk about. Let's get it. Jet Li was hating on me in the beginning. Oh, I'm playing against one of the Ball brothers. Oh, let's go, Lonzo. Oh, the fuck over Lonzo. Look at Lonzo over there. Your niggas think this shit a joke. Look. Hey, look on the bench. Yo, they try to do me wrong like I ain't no starter. You see how they, hold on. You see how they do your boy? They put nigga on the bench like I ain't no starter. Oh, they cold. They just gonna make me right. Oh, all right. I ain't, nigga, my shit. I'm be the first player with an F rating, nigga. I ain't passed to none of you niggas. Fuck you niggas talk about. I shoot everything.
What's the F rating?
I'm nervous, G. It's my first game. This ain't getting the game, but I'm nervous, G. It's my first game, G. I'm scared. I don't know if I should get in. I might mess up. I don't know, G. I'm scared. This a big day for me. You feel me? Nigga, you feel me? I'm about to pause this shit. I'm gonna pause this shit. Go watch some tutorials or something. Hey, give me the other computer, nigga. I'm gonna go watch some tutorials. Nigga, fuck this shit. I'm about to get in the game and mess up. Nigga, I need my player rated to be, nigga, 99. So I'm about to go. Nigga, I would sit on the bench. G, I ain't getting there. Nigga, I'm scared. Nigga, this is a big day for me. Nigga, this shit feel like college all over. Nigga, my body tingling and shit. Nigga, my motherfucking, nigga, my heart pounding and shit. Nigga, this shit feel like real live college. You remember your first game in college? Nigga, it feel like that right now. Like, I'm like, oh, shit. Nigga, I'm scared. You know when coach looked down to the bottom of it? Get in there, Campbell. That was the first time I did the white people thing when I played at junior college. And coach, get in there. Ah. You feel me? Feel me? But I'm about to get in there real quick, nigga. I don't care what you niggas talk about. Nigga, hold on, nigga. Nigga, we about to get in the game. Sub me in, coach. Sub me in, coach. We in there.
Oh, your name is just Light.
Hold on. I need to set this thing up somewhere. Hold on.
I know what 18 plus 18 is, Daddy.
What?
It's 36.
Oh, yeah, good job. Let's get it. Pass me the ball, cuz. Give me that. Come on.
Who took my table?
I did. I'm using it.
Where's my cup?
Daddy.
Oh, I got spin moves. I'm nice. Look. Get him.
He's
Get him.
screaming.
Get him. Oh, this nigga weak. Oh my God, travel! Man, how I do the replay?
Call me, boo. Call me.
Man, hold on, man.
You know you're playing. You should record yourself right now.
Look at this nonsense. What? Wait, I'm about to. Hold on, man. Look at this.
No.
I think I pushed my bone back. Or
Wait, man. Hold on, man. Y'all can't do me like this. See?
Otherwise means you can't move your legs. Stop.
I might have pushed my bone down.
Hold on, G. Y'all can't do me like this, G. Yo, I quit. I quit, my nigga. I'm never playing this game again. Never.
Liar.
Bruh. My nigga didn't dribble from the 3-point line. What type of bullshit ass Chinese lead is this? Bruh, he didn't dribble from the 3-point line. What type of bullshit ass overseas Chinese, Japanese, crouching tiger, hidden dragon lead is this? Bruh.
They're bubbles.
Bruh. Hold on, bruh. I can't be tripping, my G.
You have to. What?
Hold on, bruh. Bruh. My man caught the ball at the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yo! Yo. Bruh. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yo! Yo. Son. Son.
Yes.
This the very first. Bruh, this is my very first game. Y'all gonna do me like this?
You mean you're very sucky?
So, I've been trolling in the real world for so long, and I get on the game for my first time, and you just gonna troll me like, oh. Bruh. Hey, 2K got a Twitter? I'm about to, we need to go on strike. Hold on, bruh. Bruh. Bruh, this is the first play of the game. I just got in the game, bruh. Yo! Bro, hold on, bro. Bruh, I'm live, Instagram. Bruh. Can I save this?
Screen record.
No. No. Just no. Flip. Heck no.
Bruh. No, I can't allow this to go down like this.
Yeah, no, exactly.
I can't allow them to do me like that. Not on my first play of the game, dog. They ain't gonna do me like that. Not on my first play, dog. Should I do my one spawn only account or should I make a new account? I'm gonna do my one spawn only account.
I saw emails on there. Just well, the part where it says send yes for emails, don't add that.
Yeah. I can't leave. No. Why'd
What?
you do this to me? Daddy,
What's up, son?
can we get new games? Like 2-player games me and mommy can play?
Yeah.
And daddy?
Yeah.
Let's go! Stop being a slow poke. Oak! Floke! Hoke! Soak! Boke! 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 Bulky boke!
The crap? The hell is my password?
Oh my god, he has a heavy. He just got a heavy. He just got a heavy. Jeez. He just got a big heavy. Yeah, I lost my baby. I'm shooting them. I'm shooting.
All right.
Nope. Nope.
All right. Hold the fuck on.
And stop. Stop.
I'm gonna go to Salty Springs. Jeez. It took us that long to decide. times you can walk out of this building without a gun? Thanks.
All right. We back.
Come on.
Bruh.
Come here.
All right. Hold on.
Thanks. You can have this.
All right, let's get it. Feel me? Damn, chill. Let me see how my boy looking. You feel me? Come here, my boy.
Did you recreate your play?
Oh, he's fire. Look. Hey, you feel me?
Or you made him like straight out of high school?
My boy lit. You
Why
see
so
it?
light skin?
You know when you get to the NBA, you feel me? Hey, we in there. Run it. Oh, I got moved. Oh, get off me. Oh. Man. Oh, my nigga like a D rated right now. We about to get. Come on, let's go. Fuck these niggas. Nigga, Kobe Bryant didn't come to the lead. And nigga, Kobe Bryant didn't come to the lead, nigga. Give me back. Give me that back. Nigga, Kobe ain't come to the lead. Talk about pass the ball. Nigga, fuck you nigga talk about. Run it. Nigga, what you talking about, nigga? Hey, nigga. Clamp. Give me that. You niggas talk about it. Nigga, Kobe ain't come to the lead to pass the ball, nigga. Shoot. Nigga. I want the league to be afraid of me, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. Talk about. I ain't doing none of the motherfucking player goals, nigga. Hey. Fuck you, niggas talk about. Nigga, I'm pulling. Nigga, I don't see none of you Asian ass niggas. Nigga, y'all niggas ain't supposed to be playing basketball anyway, nigga. Fuck you, niggas talk about.
Yeah, Asian girls.
Y'all niggas supposed to be making computers and shit, nigga. This is our sport. Oh. Nigga, fuck you niggas talk about. Nigga, you want to play basketball. Nigga, you don't go make a Macintosh Toshiba look at that. Fuck you out here playing basketball for. Nigga, you better go make the motherfucking Toshiba. Nigga, we out here. Nigga, fuck you niggas talking. You out. See? They normally take you out the game. When they know you doing some bullshit, they'll take you out the game. But when you, look, I played many years of basketball. Coach really don't want no pass first player. I played many years of basketball, and I used to be like, yeah, I'm going to be a team player and help. Coach don't want that. He lying. Any coach tell you he want a team player, he a goddamn lie. Any coach in the world tell you, yeah, you know, I want team players and people that's going to work. He a goddamn lie. Coach want a nigga like Jordan. Shoot it. What you nigga talk about? Nigga, let's get it. Run it. Clamp this nigga, dog. Clamp this nigga. Clamps on it. He got me back door. How
are you recording?
Oh, look at my move. Oh. Fuck you.
iPod.
Damn. Looking ugly for my boy. My nigga was weak. I don't care what you niggas say. I ain't passing. I ain't never gonna pass the ball ever.
When it comes to games.
Give it back.
Joystick. No, I don't like that joystick thing.
Get off me! Ah!
Isn't the joystick is
Nigga! Ah! You niggas talking about? free throws kind of suspect though. My man in. Feel me, nigga? I ain't never passing the ball, nigga. Fuck you niggas talk about. Now I'm going for 50. My first game. I'm gonna pass it to these Chinese ass niggas, bro. You crazy. Hooper rule, nigga. Never pass to the Chinese niggas. You crazy. Field goal percentage, 50%. We out here. 6 points, 0 rebound, 0 assists, 0 steals. We out here. 50%. D rating stand for Daylyt. Fuck you niggas talk about. Let's go, coach. Keep me in there. Look at coach. Hey, I like the way you play the ball. You feel me? You like the shoe. You like a young Kobe out here. We gonna keep you in the game. Although you missing, you got the power. You feel me? I see that you missing all your shots, but you still got it. You feel me? Nigga, coach smart. Look, clamp. Damn. Oh, let's go. Run it. Run it. Run it. Oh, I'm about to work him. Oh. Work him. Oh. Yo, my man kind of nice. Hey. Oh, nigga yammed on me. Cool. Let's go. Work. Step back. Give me that back. Give me that back. Give me that back, G. Hot dogging ass Chinese nigga. Man, that was that nigga that was hating on me in the beginning. You should have known he was going to shoot the ball. Hating ass nigga. He was hating on me from the beginning. Hater. Soon as the game started, you don't even belong around here. You're a long way from home. I should have knew he was a hater from the jump. Run that. Look at him. He trying to run point guard. I'm about to dribble the ball right by him so I can not pass it to him. Here you go. You got it. You got it. I see you. I see you. Stay right there. I got you. Oh.
Yes, he is. No.
Fuck you niggas talk about. Nigga, shoot that.
He's on wide.
Yo, he getting kind of crazy. Fuck this nigga talking about. He passing that dumb ass nigga. Coach gonna be mad at me. Oh. Yeah. Yo, they look good. My player finna get an F rating like a motherfucker. I don't care though. Fuck you niggas talk about. Nigga, you don't get good by passing the ball. Nigga, what nigga come to the league passing the ball? Nigga, you crazy. Trying to make my name known early. That nigga Daylyt.
Yay!
You niggas talk about, nigga. Run it. Dang. Yeah. Hey, Daylyt. Listen to me, Daylyt. Run the play. Run the play. All right, set the pick. Fuck you niggas talk about. They gotta shoot that shit. Kobe! Damn, he probably gonna sub me out. Don't sub me out. Look at him, he hating. Look at him. You don't pass the ball, hating ass Daylyt. Daylyt on that. Look at him, you seen him? You seen him? You seen the Asian nigga was hat? Hating ass nigga, I ain't passing you never no ball. Hating ass nigga. Nigga was hating on me when I first came in the league. Nigga, I ain't passing nothing. None of you Asian ass nigga. I don't even belong in this league in the first place. Okay. Fuck you talking about. Nigga, I don't belong here. Nigga, I belong in the league with the real niggas. Fuck, they got me in this weird ass Taiwan league. Nigga, I play the Taiwan league. Fuck you talking about. Nigga, I'm getting up out of here. And nigga, and if I don't make it all the way to the league, nigga, I'm going to Rucker Park. Nigga, fuck you, nigga, talk about. Hold on, nigga. All right, y'all, let's turn up now. Feel me? That was a bad quarter. You feel me? That was a bad quarter. Oh. Give it back, dog. Get off me. Give it back. Give it back. Don't shoot that. What's wrong with you? Yo, these niggas be hot dogging, B. I swear, dog. These niggas don't never pass the ball. That's why I can't play on this team. That's why I can't play on this team, bro. I don't even belong here with these niggas. Yo, I swear, y'all niggas be all in my way and all that. Nigga, just set a screen or something. Travel. Yo, these niggas, hold on, my nigga. Yo, these niggas be all, you ever be playing basketball and niggas be all in your shot peripheral? Damn, move out my way, nigga.
Wow.
Look, Asian nigga. Look, coach. Daylyt, y'all need to get Daylyt the ball more. See, the problem with the team is y'all ain't passing it to Daylyt. You seen what the coach said? Look, hey, baby, you feel me? Y'all need to get the ball to Daylyt more. All right, let's go, y'all. Let's go. Run it. Let's go. Set that pick. I got you, my boy. Oh, let's go. Catch and shoot. Yeah. That was a good shot. You feel me? Feel me? That was a good shot. It was off the dribble. Feel me? Weak ass nigga missing free throws and shit. Weak ass. Lean power. Look at that. All right, yo, let's run it, y'all. Come on. I'm gonna get y'all in the game now. I promise. All right. Hold on, man. I got him. Yo, you see all these Asian niggas hating on the black nigga? This league racist. You see all these Asian niggas booing the only black nigga out here? These niggas racist. Oh, that's a layup. Yo, they hating on your boy, bro. I got a good shot percentage, though, if you really think about it. Look, clamp, nigga. Yo, I ain't even gonna lie, bro. I don't even belong in this league, bro. These niggas weak. These niggas weak, dog. Oh, he got somebody else running point guard? Because he know I'm a shooter. Look, he know I'm a shooter. Look, he know. Hey, I ain't no point guard. That's why. I was never designed to be a point guard. I'm a shooter. Look. Get up there. Clamp up. Oh, he tried to cross me. Get on it. Get on it. Get out of here. See, I was never no point guard in the first place. I wasn't even supposed to be running point guard.
I'm not letting you play.
I wasn't even supposed to be running point guard. I'm like a 3-point specialist. Box out. Y'all got that. Run it. Corner. Oh, my assist. Let's run it. Let's run it. You feel me? I was never no point guard in the first place. I don't even know why they had me running point guard. Nigga, I'm like a shooting guard, point guard. Let's go, run it. Oh, I almost dunked that. You want to run the point, my G?
Yes.
My boy Ling Po. There you go, Po. Pass it, Po. Pass. Oh, 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 oh! Oh!
Yeah!
Hey!
And
I'm like Curry out here.
Stephen Furry. Yeah,
Get that shit out of here. Run it. I'm like Curry out here. You see me come off the pick? Fire.
No fire. You're tired. Oh! Start a doogie drain. A doogie drain. Start a doogie.
Oh, you got that? You got that, G? Oh, come off the pick. Come off the pick. Yeah. Oh my, bro. Y'all see it. Y'all see what type of player I am. Y'all see what type of player I am. I'm like a Jordan. Hey, my boy LaMelo Ball kind of nice. Y'all see what kind of player I am. Oh, my assist. Oh, give me that. Oh, damn. Damn, they gave your boy an F. Man, they hating. Nigga, clamp. Oh, clamp. Coach know better not to take me out, though. He know I'm the man.
No.
Look, got that nigga clamp. Look, clamping me. Clamp. Clamping that nigga. Clamp. Oh, he was clamp. Oh, stop and pop. Pass that Ling Po. Payao! Pass that Ling Po. Payao! Yo, my player he like a Larry Bird type of nigga. Oh, put your spin move on it. Oh. Why? I ain't even trying to shoot that. Look, let's go, Melo. I got Melo locked up.
You mean hand? At least it was laundry.
Oh, let's go, my boy. Swing that back. Hater, dog. He been hating on me since we was kids. When we used to play AAU and all that, he been hating on me way since back AAU. Hating ass nigga.
Dad, what's AAU?
When we was kids. It was this one little Chinese kid that used to always play, nobody picked him up. Now he in the lead, he think he just never want to pass the ball. Hating ass nigga. Shao Yilin, look at that. Shao Kahn, look at that. Alright, set the pick, my boy.
Start a luck train,
Pipe. Set the pick, my boy. Alright, Melo was little Melo Ball was kind of. Oh, he tried to cross. Oh, he kind of smooth a little bit.
I feel terrible because you said no, yes.
Oh, they got him running point. All right, you got me, G.
They know this. No worry, no try.
This is probably my last game. They gonna send a nigga back to high school. Hold on, Paul. Hold on, my nigga. Hold on, go to my replay real quick. Hold on, my nigga. I just gotta bang out I don't care what you niggas talk about. Hold on, my nigga. Hold on, bruh. Hold on, bruh. You niggas need to understand what just happened. You niggas need to understand what type of thing just happened in the game, bruh. Hold on, bruh. My nigga, I got to steal, bruh. Look. Ah! Look at you niggas talk about. Get off me, Ling Po and Xiao Yin. Look at him. Oh my God, I've never seen a black person dunk. I never seen a black person on my team dunk. I have never seen a black person dunk a ball. This is amazing. It is amazing to see a black person dunk a ball. I am just going, oh my God, he is a black person. I have never seen a black person dunk a ball. Oh my God. Oh. Look at him. What?
You sound crazy.
Look at him. He like, yeah, that's my nigga. You feel me? I'm like black and Asian, but you know, I took more of my mama's side. You feel me? So, you feel me? I can say nigga when I want to, but I just don't say it because, you know, I like to respect niggas' ethnicity. You feel me? Get it. Oh, he trying to get freaky, nigga. What you talking about? Let's go, Campbell. Let's go, Campbell. Look at him hating. Look at him. He a hater. Look. Bitch ass Daylyt will pass the ball. Nigga, I ain't passing none of you niggas. Look at me. You know it's gonna be all right, Daylyt. You the best. That's all that matters, nigga. Don't even worry about the rest of the team, nigga. You going to the league.
Hey, you got a second? Yeah, sure. Got some time for a few questions. That dude, vertical. You can't teach it. You can't learn it. It's just in there. Piece of the soul.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it kind of makes you wonder about, like, the moment when he first realized it, like, maybe he's just a little kid running through the streets with his friends and suddenly, like,
You don't feel me? Like, I just, like, you know,
and then boom.
look at you.
Papa
Papa Doc. Is that Papa Doc? Oh, that's how you know there's a battle rap game. That's Papa Doc, huh? Me and my boy Papa Doc chopping it up about the Eminem battle. Yeah, remember when you was in the shelter? My boy Papa Doc.
But you don't know why or for what.
Yo, I'm the only nigga in the league with face tats. Nigga, fuck you niggas talk about we out here. My boy Papa Doc. Thanks Papa Doc. You feel me? I'm gonna make sure I don't never.
You one of the reporters or something?
Something like that.
You feel me?
See you around, AI.
I see you a coach now. You feel me? You ain't doing the battle rap thing no more. Nigga came and coached. My boy Papa Doc out here coaching. You feel me, G? All right. Let me see. Go to my options. I'm trying to turn my shit up. I can purchase this? You need more. How I add them? You know, I'm trying to buy my shit all the way up. Fuck you niggas talk about. Getting purchase amount. Nigga, how much is it to make your shit automatic, nigga? I'm Steph Curry out here. Nigga, I got unlimited PayPal running. Purchasing is not available at this time. Try again later. Fuck you. Yo, my nigga like fire though. Look at him. Face tats and all in there. I'm in there, yo. Hey. That's Reg right there. What's up, Reg? I'm in the Matrix. Yo, Third Eye, you gotta get a system, yo. Third Eye, get PS4, bro. Cause look, I'm gonna tell y'all something. A lot of people might be asking me, why did I get this game or what am I doing? So I'm gonna tell y'all something, what I'm about to do. So I realized that the online community is a world, right? I realized that. I realized the online community is a world, and it is a world of people that live in that side of the world. And a lot of people spend a lot of time in the gaming community, and they don't really come out the gaming community. So I told myself, I want to reach another world. So I'm going to infiltrate this world. I'm going to go to all the big video game sites. I'm going to go to like E3. I'm going to link up with Maximil Dude and all the motherfuckers. I'm actually going to infiltrate. Not infiltrate, but I'm just going to join the gaming community. Right? And I'm pretty sure that there's a lot of information that I can give to the gaming community. Right? It's a lot of things, a lot of information I can give to the gaming community. And I think the gaming world would appreciate an individual like myself. So, this is what I want to do. Let me tell y'all what I want to do. I want to build a team. Like a gamer team. But I don't care about Fortnite right now. I want to build a gamer team. Right? And when we go online like the Matrix. This how I see this shit. This how I envision this shit. So I want to build a gamer squad. Like it's me, like the 30 squads, right? And I want to go online. Like when we all get on GTA, we gonna all be all blacked out with the long trench coats and the black shades, and we gonna plug in. Right? That's what I want to do to the gaming world. Like I look at the gaming world like the Matrix. So what I want to do is we all get like a squad, like a fucking clan, and we plug in, right? And we fucking plug in this Matrix. We jack into online world, and we fucking take over. The end goal is for people to say, yo, when them niggas get online,
Daddy,
it's mayhem.
Dad, can I play Garden Warfare? GTA.
Yes.
Thanks.
When them niggas get online, it's mayhem. Hey, dog.